Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable views for client-friendly project timelines. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your Airtable base and navigate to the table that contains your project data. Start by identifying the fields that are essential for your project timeline. Ensure that you have a date field to track project milestones. If you don't have a date field, create one by adding a new column and selecting the date field type. Next, consider adding other relevant fields such as project name, status, and assigned team member to provide context. Once your fields are ready, click on the Views drop-down at the top left of the table. Select Grid View to start with a standard view, which you will then customize. Now, click on the Filter option to narrow down your projects based on specific criteria. For example, filter by status to only show projects that are currently active. Next, utilize the Group feature to organize projects by categories such as team member or project phase. To do this, click on Group and choose the desired field for. After grouping, focus on the Sort option to arrange projects in a logical order, such as by start date. Click on Sort and select your preferred date field to establish the order. To create a timeline view, click on the Views drop-down once again. Select Calendar to visualize your project deadlines on a calendar interface. In this view, ensure your date field is selected for accurate timeline representation. You can also adjust the calendar view settings to reflect different time frames, like daily or weekly. To make your project timeline more client-friendly, consider customizing the view's name to something easy to understand. After configuring the calendar view, check if you can add color coding for different project statuses to enhance clarity. Go to the Color option and assign colors based on project status or priority. Finally, share your Airtable view with your clients by clicking on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose the sharing options that best fit your needs, such as creating a shared link or inviting specific users. Your client-friendly project timeline setup is now complete, ready to streamline communication and project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.